So let us solve this problem. Find the mean deviation for the mean data which is given for that is 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, and 17. Okay, so so the given data is 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, and 17. Okay, so mean of the data, which is represented by x bar. Okay, so which would be summing of all this 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and so summing all this, right? So which would be equal to divided by 8, which is equal to, this is 80 by 8, which is 10. Okay, so we found the mean data. Okay, so the deviation of the respective observation for the mean data, that is that is xi minus x bar. Okay, so those are -6, right, and -3, -2, right? So those are -1, -0, 2, and 7. Okay, so and the absolute value of the deviation, okay, those would be mod of xi minus x bar. Okay, and these are 6, 3, 2, 1, 0, 2, and 7. And the required mean deviation, okay, about the mean, which is x bar is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to 8. So mod of xi minus x bar divided by, okay, 8, okay, which is 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 and then 7 divided by 8, which gives out to be 24 by 8, which is 3. Okay, which is the required solution. Now let us solve this now. Okay, so the given data here, the number of observations are 12, which is even. Yeah, so arranging in ascending order, we obtain, okay, so we obtain, right, this and median, which is m, is 12 by 2, right, observation, okay, plus 12 by 2 plus 1th observation, okay, by 2. Okay, so that would be 6th and 7th observation. So 6th observation is 13, right, plus and the seventh observation, which is 14 by 2, which gives out to be 13.5, right? And the deviations of the respective observations from the median, that is xi minus m, okay, those will be, so we got the respective observation from the median, okay, and the absolute value of these will be, this is xi m mod of this, okay. We got this. Now the required median deviation about the median will be, that is m is summation of I is 1 to 12, right, xi minus m by how many such observations? Is 12, okay. So this, while summing up this, we get in the numerator, that is 28 by 12, okay, which would be 2.33. So that would be the answer for this. Yeah. Let us find the median deviation, right? And the mean deviation about the mean for the data, which is 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. And the frequencies, which is F, which is 7, 4, 6, 3, and 5. Okay, let us see the solution for this. First, let us make the table for this, right? So, xi's are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right? And fi's are 7, 4, 6, 3, and 5. So summation of fi would be 25, and the product of this is 35, 40, 90, and we'll simplify this quickly. Yeah, well, we found this, okay, and now that we got all the results here, so this n is summation of I is 1 to 5, right? Fi, which is 25, which we got this, and summation of Fi and Xi is 350, right? And X bar, which will be 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to 5, that is Fi into Xi. So this is 350 by 25, which would be 14. Okay, so the mean deviation, which we have to get it. So mean deviation, which is xi, x bar, which is 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to 5, right? Fi, this is xi minus x, right? So this is 125, right, multiplied. This is we got this as 158, right? Yeah, 158. So 8, which will be 6.32. So let us find the mean deviation about the median for the given data. So those are 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, and 15. Also corresponding to that is 8, 6, 2, 2, and 6. Okay. So the given observation, which are already in an ascending order. So um, adding the column corresponding to the cumulative frequency, right? We obtain the following data. Let us write that. Okay. So that would be cumulative frequency 8, 8 plus 6, which is 14, and 14 plus 2, which is 16, 16 plus 2, which is 18, then 18 plus 2, which is 20. So 20 plus 6 is 26, right? So here n n would be 26, which is even. Okay, is even. So the median is the mean of 13th and 14th observation. Okay, so 13th and 14th observation, which both of the observation lie in the cumulative frequency, that is 14. Okay, for the corresponding observation, which is 7, right? So that would be median will be 7 plus 7 by 2, which is 7, right? And the absolute values of the median, which is mod xi minus m, right? Um, and that would be the absolute values of the deviation from the median, right? Let us write that also. So we formed the table of xi minus m, which is 202 358, right? And the product of this, which would be fi multiplied xi minus m, okay? So which is 16, 0, 4, 6, 10, and 48. So the summation, which is fi, which is 26, right? And summation of fi xi minus m, yeah, which is equal to 84, right? So the mean deviation m is 1 by n summation fi and xi minus m, which is equal to 1 by 26 into 84, which gives us 3.23. That is the required solution. So let us solve this. Let's find the mean deviation of this income per day, which is in rupees, and number of persons, right? So let us solve this. Okay, let us form the table, right? So let us solve this. So we form the table. Okay, so xi and f of f into xi. So summation of fi would be 50, right? Which is nothing but n, and we need a summation of fi and xi. So which is 17,900, right? And also we would be requiring the summation of this. So so this would be 7896. Okay, so here n will be the summation of fi, which is 50, right? Summation of fi and xi, which is 17,900, and X bar will be 1 by n, right? Summation I is equal to 1 to 8. Okay, 1 to 8. Phi xi, which is 1 by 50 multiplied by 17,900, which gives us 358. Okay, and the median m is 1 by n. This will be summation fi mod xi minus x bar, so which is 1 by 50 multiplied into 7896, which would be 157.92. Okay.